Okay, hi children. Okay, now in this video we are discussing about the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, already in before video we discussed about the how can you naming the one carbon compound longest chain carbon compound. You see like this already we discussed that. Okay, now I will give you another example for problem of uploading. We are in another video we are discussing this topic. Okay, now you come to here. See, if there is no functional groups, if there is functional group, you have to give priority of that functional group only. From that functional group only you have to give numbers. Okay, then now if there are any not there any functional groups, if there are then no any functional group, suppose you see then suppose there is chlorine and methyl group. Okay, another chlorine is there and bromine is there. Okay, again C2H5 CH3. Okay, now what you have to write? Remaining all bonds you have to write hydrogen bonds. Okay, see, first of all you take this one, 1 2, another 2 hydrogens are present, that means sufficient 4 bonds also. Here also hydrogen, and here also so see this carbon there is need one bond, and 1 2 3 bonds are there, another you have to take, but I want to write here double bond because there is no double bond. If you are writing one double bond, that means 1 2 3 4 bonds sufficient only, 1 2 3 4 sufficient only, 1 through 1 2 3 sufficient only for this one. Okay, now how will you write the name of this one? This is not a very small thing, also you are using this one only. Okay, how is it, madam? Like before only, before already we discussed that first we have to write word root, this side alkyl group, first halogens, alkyl group, word root, bonds, functional group. First you see if there is no any functional group in the carbon organic compound, then you leave it. If there is functional group, you have to give priority of functional group only. Numbering also from you have to start from functional group only. Already we discussed. If there is no functional group, you leave that. Okay, they are only present halogens, alkyls, bonds like this. Okay, first you have to know the word root. What is the word root here? That means parent chain. We have to observing what is the parent chain. We all are thinking this straight line is the parent chain. You are thinking like that, but you have to separate. C2H5 is there, no? Okay, that C2H5 is not, don't put like this. You have to separate this one as a CH2CH3. Okay, see, don't confuse here. This one you can write as a CH2CH3, yes or no? That's why you have to take, in the place of C2H5, you have to write CH2CH3. Okay, don't forget this one. You are forgetting that one. Mother chain will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means hep you are writing. But it is wrong. Why? Because here C2 means you have to separately have to write this one. Okay, how is it? Once you see C2H5, nothing but, okay, CH2 CH3. That means you can write here CH2 CH3 in the place of C2H5. Okay, then now you have to give numbering. Now, how will you give that numbering? First, what are the branches you have to find out? Okay, mainly this one is the, you can observe that this one is the word root because longest chain, that one only. Suppose you are counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, octave will get. Suppose you are counting like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, hept will come. That's why you have to take octave as a word root. Okay, do you understand? Don't confuse here. maybe give in C2H5 there, but you have to separate it as a CH2 CH3. Okay, now you come to, you know that this is the word root. Now word root is oct. Okay, now you come here. How will you give the numbering? First, what are the branches present here? Branches means other than hydrogen you have to compare. You have to take as a branches. Okay, other than hydrogen. Where are they? Those here chlorine is there. Here methyl group is there. Here again chlorine is there. Here also bromine is there. Again here methyl group is there. See how many branches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe here may be present 1 branch or 2 branch or 3 branches. That is depends upon the paper. No problem. How many is there? You don't confuse here. Now you give the numbering to that branches. But suppose you are giving, first you give from here only. Okay. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose you are giving. First write the on which carbons these branches are present. This chlorine 2 plus this methyl group present on third carbon, this chlorine present on 4th carbon, and this double bond is present at 4th carbon. Don't confuse here. Double bond also you have to write. Okay, on the 4th carbon double bond is present. Again on the 5th carbon there is bromine. You suppose that here only 2 are there, you have to write 4 plus 4. Okay, I will tell you with another example. Now you come here. Right here. On 5th carbon there is 5 and 6th carbon there is a methyl group. First you write the numbers. Where are the branches are present. Okay, branches, atoms are present. Then add it. How much you will get? 10, 19, 21, 24. Okay, again you have to give from here to this side to numbering. Okay, then you will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. This like also maybe come 8. But where are that branches are present? You see here. On which number is present? First come from here. On 3rd carbon. That means 3. On 3rd carbon methyl group is there. 3 plus on 5th carbon, 4th carbon. You see, don't confuse. Otherwise rub before numbering. From this side number you rub it. Now this numbering only there. And on which carbon is there here? On 4th carbon bromine is there. Again on the 4th carbon only double bond is there. And on 5th carbon, you see, on 5th carbon you should write smallest one only. Here double bond is present. Many children confusing here. Madam, will I write 4 or 5? They are asking. You should write smallest number only. In 4 and 5, which is the smallest number? 4. That's why you should take 4 only. Do you understand? Methyl group present on 3rd carbon, you are writing 3rd, and bromine on 4th carbon there is bromine. You are writing 4, and double bond present on 4th carbon, that's why you are writing 4. And here on 5th carbon there is chlorine, that's why I am writing 5. And 6th carbon there is methyl group, that's why you are writing 6. Plus on 7th carbon, this is the 7th carbon, no? On 7th carbon there is chlorine, that's why you are writing 7. Now you add these all numbers. Okay, how much you will get? 8, 10, 11, 16, 22, 22 and 29 you will come. Okay, which will get smallest number? When you are adding branches, you will get this one. Understand? That's why you have to take from here to numbering them. This one only correct way to giving numbering. Okay, do you understand? That means you have to count in our mind only which one we will get smallest number when you are adding branches carbon numbers. Okay, that one only have to give numbering. Okay, that side only have to give numbering. That means before only this one only correct way to giving numbering. That's why you rub this one. Okay, and give the numbering from here to here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the one rule for writing nomenclature. Okay, na? That means where the branches are present, you have to add the number of carbon number. Okay, which one addition of that means which one giving the smallest sum of the carbon atoms, carbon numbering, that one you have to take as a word root. Okay, this is the word root for us in this carbon compound. Okay, do you understand, Meera? Then now you can write the name of this one. Very simple. If you are writing numbering, you can write very easily. First, where the halogens are present, and how many halogens are present? 3 halogens atoms are present. Okay, chlorine and bromine. When you are writing this one, you have to use alphabetical order. I already told you, because that 2 also belongs to same family only. Okay, same group only. That means same in halogens only. That's why when you are writing these 2, 5 bromo, because of B, first in alphabetical order B is the first letter, that's why. Then after you put comma, and chlorines are there on the 2 and 4th carbons, 2 and 4th carbon. That's why you have to write same chlorine only present. That's why you should write that 2 and 4 is side by side. Okay, side by side only 2 and 4 you have to write 2 and 4, 2, 4. Okay, no need to put comma here. 2, comma 4. What is that? 2, comma 4, and same is there, no, same chlorines are there. That's why di you have to write. Di. If there are 3 same atoms, okay, then you are writing tri. Okay, 2 same atoms, you are writing di. Okay, 4 same atoms, you are writing tetra. Okay, 5 same atoms, you have to write penta. Okay, already you know that when you are writing hydrocarbons, you already learned this one. Okay, if there are 2 same atoms, you have to write di, 3 atoms tri, 4 atoms tetra, 5 penta. Here same chlorine atoms are present, that's why 2, 4 di. Okay, dichloro. Oct, already we wrote that. Oct means 8 carbons are present. No, that's why oct you are writing here. And if there are, and then again you have to see the alkyl group. If there are any alkyl group means methyl, ethyl only you are learning, already told. No, methyl groups are present. You see here one methyl and here one methyl groups are there. Okay, right now what are the alkyl group present here? 2. On 3rd carbon there is methyl group, and 6th carbon there is methyl group. That's why you are writing here, what is that? 3, 6. Both same alkyl group only. Okay, there is no difference. Here also methyl group only, here also methyl group only. Same atoms, then you have to write di. Because 2 are there, no, that's why di. Methyl. Methyl group is there, no, that's why. 3, 6, dimethyl. Okay, oct is the word root, already before only we wrote. And if there are any bonds, yes, there is bond on 4th carbon. That's why 4-ene. And then after there is no any functional groups. That's why you can leave there. 4-ene. This is the name of this carbon compound. Do you understand? Very simple this one. You see, if there are any halogens, first you have to write halogens. Where that halogens are present, that number you should write here. Okay, that is 5 bromo. On 5th carbon there is bromo. And when that 2R belongs to same group only, same family only, then you have to write as a alphabetical order. That's why 2,4 dichloro. That means 2,4. That means 2 also chlorines only. That's why 2,4 dichloro, and 3,6 dimethyl. That means then after you have to write alkyl group. Okay, 3,6 dimethyl. Oct is the word root, and 4-ene bonds you are writing. Okay, do you understand? Okay, in this only I am writing some less smallest one. You see, suppose suppose, okay. This is the one compound you have. Okay, again you have to give numbering only. Where the branches are present, you have to count the carbon number sum. Okay, then suppose you are giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you add where the branches are present. Here chlorine present 2 and here chlorine is present, that's why 4, plus here and at the 5th carbon there is double bond, that's why you have to add these 3. We will get 6 and 11. Suppose you are giving numbering this from this side, okay, left to right. Now you give the numbering from here, this side to this side, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it is better to rub before numbers, otherwise you are confusing here, no, that's why. Then now you count this from this side too, in where that double bond is present at one first carbon, and in here chlorine present at 3rd carbon, and here chlorine is present at the 5th carbon. Then what will come here? 9. Okay, that means which is the least among these two? 9 is the least. That's why you have to give numbering from right to left. Okay, right to left you have to give. Why will you give right to left? Do you understand this one? You have to write where the branches are present. Branches and bonds also here you have to take here. Okay, then you will get 9 from this side is the right way to giving numbering. Okay, do you understand? That's why you have to give the numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here 6 carbons are there. That's why what you have to write? Hex. Okay, hex is the 6th carbon. If there are 6 carbons, you are writing say hex, no? Okay, word root as a word root. Now you write if there are any halogens. Oh yes, there are halogens. 2 halogens are there, but same atoms, same halogen atoms only there. That's why on which number there present 3, 5. Okay, both are same. That's why di you should write. Okay, if there are same atoms, 2 atoms are there, di, 3 atoms, tri. If there are 4 atoms, tetra, you are writing like that. Like that, if there are 2 chlorines also same atoms, that's why you have to write dichloro. Dichloro. If there are any alkyl group in this, no, not there any alkyl group. That's why you leave it. Okay. Then after you write the word root. Then after if there are any bonds, yes, there are bonds. That is 1E. Is the name of the carbon compound which I given on the board. Okay, do you understand this one? This like if there are any among these halogens, alkyl, word root and bonds and functional group, you are writing that name. Otherwise, you leave it. Okay, very simply you can write the names of the organic compounds. Okay, thank you.